Today we're going to be looking at MLA formatting, specifically titles. And the purpose of today's lesson is to understand how to write titles and following the MLA format. Title rules. Now, the first letter of each word is capitalized. That's in every single title, except for if it's like a small two-letter word, A and V, you don't have to capitalize either unless it's the first word in the title. All right, titles that are italicized are album titles, cassette titles. I know y'all rocking the cassettes. TV shows and movie titles, book titles, those all get italicized. But other types of titles, something else happens, and that's why we need to do this lesson. The big item, so that thing that you can buy or you buy the ticket for, that is the thing that is italicized. So example, if we were to do the show Stranger Things, you can see right here, this is not italicized. So this is the TV show. I've written Stranger Things, it's capitalized, but that would not be correct. It needs to be italicized. Now, say I want to refer to a particular specific episode in Stranger Things. That episode title I would put in quotation marks. So here's the example. I guess it didn't give the example, but if I were to put one of the titles of the episodes, that would go in quotation marks. So that means the smaller item, the part of the bigger item is quoted. So on an album, you buy the album, that's the big item, it's italicized. However, a song on the item is a part of the big item that goes in quotes. Chapter titles, TV episode titles, poems, song titles, those all go in quotes. If you were doing a movie title is italicized. You bought a ticket, that's the big thing. If you were doing a scene from the movie, the scene would go in quotes. Okay, here we go. Here's our example, Chapter 1, The Hellfire Club. So we can see the episode title is in quotation marks. You have a small practice to go along with this, and you can see that I have given examples, book, and here's the italicized book, and then the quoted chapter, and then you're going to find a book and do the same thing. Same thing with the TV show. Italicized name of the show, quoted name of the title, you're going to do that. And then album, I have the italicized title of an album. This album, David Bowie, Legacy, the book, Ray Bradbury right here. Just so you can see these are real items from my life. Oh, let me pause this. And yes, the X-Files. Oh no, I have the X-Files Barbie dolls. You know you have some dolls at home. You know you do.